It is time to say goodbye to the Creality Ender 3 because we picked up the Creality CR-10S Pro V2. Man, that is a lot to say. I am loving 3D printing. We built 11 trophies that you're going to see right here. And after doing that, we realized that there are endless uses for 3D printing, so we had to step it up a notch. But first, I got to clean up this whole area right here, build a shelf, clean this up, because the new 3D printer is going to live over here. So I'm going to get to that, and then the unboxing coming. Okay, area is completely cleaned. It is finally time to do the unboxing. So the game plan is to put the V2 right here. Okay, I definitely cannot do the unboxing here. So I'm going to do the unboxing on the table. Man, there is something about unboxing that is just so much fun. Okay. So remember, this is the CR-10S V2 Pro V2. Yeah, let's check it out. I'm hoping this is a little bit more pre-assembled than the last, the Ender. That one I had to build completely. I think this is going to be a lot more pre-built. So the big feature about why I got this, the V2, they improved on their auto bed leveling, which my technical skills, I am, I'm a beginner when it comes to 3D printing. So any technology that's going to help me print better, I'm going to take, and hopefully they've improved the auto bed leveling. So that should be a big factor, because when you start your skirt and if your level is not perfect, you won't get a really good solid print. So it's something I've learned printing for the past. Okay. Manual, who needs that? Who am I kidding? I probably need that. Probably not going to be using that. Okay. That. Okay, this is a little bit harder to take out of the box than I originally anticipated. So we're going to have to do the old, man, I hate doing this, but we're doing it. Ugh. This seems like the best way. Oh yeah, that is so much easier. Ugh. Wow, this thing is really nice. I'm so excited. So I have a lot of ideas on what I'm going to print. That was one of the biggest reasons why I got this. And two, that little printer over there, that thing ran for 4 days, 24/7, printing the trophies for the Gundies, which after I got the tweaks out, it worked really well. So I'm hoping I can really get into some pretty heavy 3D printing with this. I have a lot of ideas, especially for my new computer build and my new desk setup that I have. I mean, possibilities are endless. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what we got going on here. You know what? Time out. I am just going to take a look at this really quickly while I read. Okay, device installation, da 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 da. 4 screws. Does it not show you how to unpack this thing? I need an unpacking. Got it. I am absolutely not a 3D professional by any means, but I think it's backwards. It's upside down. Okay. first time looking at it. This thing is awesome. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I think we're good. Okay. Let's see what else. So, I mean, once again, just by looking at it for the first time, it's pretty much completely assembled. Power supply. Ben, he hasn't been on his own channel in a while.
I stay behind the camera normally.
We have been we've been going to different kind of venues, right?
We've been doing a lot.
We have been.
We've been doing a lot. This looks.
That's a nice jacket you got there.
Thank you. USElite.com. USElitegear.com.
Where'd you get that from? What kind of jacket is it?
It's an Arc'teryx Leaf.
Could this video be sponsored by US Elite Gear?
Is it?
It could be.
It is now.
Yeah, so if you guys love Arc'teryx, check them out. We'll drop a link.
Literally the best dealer on
and this is 2020 release, correct?
Yeah, I think we're one of the first people that have it outside of like dealers.
Yeah, and by the way, for some reason they always send us the same colors, so me and Ben are constantly matching no matter where we go. We're like polar opposite twins. It's very weird.
It's so comfy.
Okay, the top half is on. I guess that's what you call the top half. I don't know. Next is I have to put the filament arm on. Of course, you want to be able to hold all the awesome filament you get. And if I can figure out how to do... Oh, cool. That does that. That does that. This is so much better than our first 3D printer. I mean, everything just goes together much nicer and a hell of a lot smoother. Our filament comes here, comes down here. It goes into our hopper feeder. Oh, and by the way, something really cool about the V2. This right here, this box, is an auto-detecting like filament stopper. So if you run out of filament, it'll pause the print and you can fill it back up so you don't lose the place that you're at. It won't just keep printing nothing. So that's a really cool version. Oh. Is we're going to put these straight like that. Okay. We'll wiggle that into place. And then got to make sure it's tight because you do not want your filament roll to fall off. It's the last thing you want. Remember, there's a lot of motion in these. So this thing can run for 8, 9, 10, 12 hours. There's a lot of moving parts. So you want to make sure everything is snug pretty good, but of course, like always, don't over tighten. Oh, it looks like I'm supposed to tighten something somewhere. Okay, well, whatever. All right, so now we have three cable connections. Fun part. First one. Let's do the big one. It says to do this last, but we're gonna do it first. What's the worst that could happen? Okay, so let's do the little pin first. Let's give that a little snug. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we are completely done. Oh no, nope, I'm wrong. The most important thing, power. Now, we are officially done. So let's move it to that platform that I showed you guys before, and hopefully it fits. I still haven't figured out which way we're gonna. It looks amazing, but I don't think we can put it there.
Why not?
So I'm gonna run it up a little bit more here because I'm a little concerned. This is why. And guys, this might not matter. Like I said, I am not a professional by any means, but it hits a little bit in the top of that bed. See, it's crunching up back here, which, no, see, look, this is max. That's max. So I think we're okay. I think we're okay. These little feet here, Now, okay, so what we're going to do, if this is a problem, I will just put a bed extension on here. Okay, there we go. All right, moment of truth. Let's put that in there. I will definitely tuck all that away. Okay, bam. And you guys ready? Bam. Woohoo! Yeah. Oh, this is sick. What? This is so much cooler than this thing. Wait, can I just show you guys something really quick? This is what happens when you turn this one on. Wah, wah, wah. This to this. Okay, so let's take you guys through the settings. Bed leveling, screen information. Okay, loading filament. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh, this touchscreen is so nice. It sounds like a dial-up phone.
It does.
Okay, I'm done. Okay, so move. Let's see what this thing feels like. Not moving. Oh, because I was going in the wrong direction. Whoa. Wow, that is so smooth. Oh my gosh, this thing literally moves completely different. Wow. Wow. Okay, enough of that. Let's go here. Let's go to leveling. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Dude. So this is auto leveling. Whoa. No way. Okay, so filament is installed. I preheated the nozzle. It looks like that ran through really nice. All that's left to do now is, well, is download the software. Okay, so upon further inspection, I realized the Creality comes with an SD card that happens to be preloaded with some files, so I don't have to download anything at the moment. We have a pig, dog, and cat. I think I'm going to go with a pig, and we're going to print that. Well, there you have it. The first official print on the CR-10S Pro V2. That was a long print, but I am really excited to pick this thing up. Oh, it's really stuck on there. Wow, that is really on there. Jeez. Okay, so we printed a pig. I'm gonna grab this nifty little tool here, and I'm gonna stick this onto here. Wow, that is really, wow. Geez, that is really on there. Just gonna roll that forward, like so. Look how clean that is. Oh my god, that thing is so awesome. Uh-oh. Damn. Oops, that didn't sound good. I think I broke that off. Well, there you have it, guys. The first 3D print on the new machine. It's a little piglet. And on that bombshell, we're out till next time. A lot more fun things to come. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.